Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of JavaScript, the dynamic scripting language that empowers web developers to bring their pages to the life. If you are ever wondered about the magic behind changing the HTML content, tweaking attributes, styling with the CSS, or creating interactive elements on your web pages, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, we will explore how JavaScript can seamlessly showcasing dynamic content updates on your web page, dynamically modify HTML attribute for enhancing user experiences, style your HTML element on the fly with the JavaScript and CSS, master the arts of showing and hiding the HTML elements dynamically. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand the basics or an experienced developer aiming to level up your skills, stick around us. We unreveal the secret of JavaScript capabilities. So grab your coding gear and let us embark on this JavaScript journey together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us get started. JavaScript can dynamically change HTML content by manipulating the DOM, that is document object model. Here are some common ways JavaScript can be used to change HTML content. Using inner HTML property. The inner HTML property can be used to change the content inside an HTML element. Here is an example. Using test content property. Similar to inner HTML and test content property can be used to set or get the test content of an HTML element. Using inner test property. The inner test property is similar to test content and is used to set or get the visible test content of an element. Set attribute method. The script can also change attributes of HTML elements. For example, you can change src attribute of an image. The provided HTML code is a simple example of using JavaScript to dynamically change the content of an HTML element when a button is clicked. When the button is clicked, the JavaScript code within the event handler is executed. In this case, it uses inner HTML to change the content of an element. The provided HTML code demonstrates a simple interactive web page where JavaScript is used to dynamically change the source attribute of an image element. There are two buttons, turn on light and turn off light. The on-click attribute in the buttons contain JavaScript code. Where turn on light button is clicked, it sets src attribute of an image into light on dot ping. It that turns the light on. Similarly, turn off light button sets the src attribute back to turn off light off, that is turning the light off. This code showcases a basic example of how JavaScript can be used to hide HTML element dynamically when a button is clicked. The targeted element is a paragraph with the ID demo and its visibility is toggled by changing its display style property. You can use the style property of an HTML element to set its display property to control visibility. For example, you can set display to none to hide an element and block to show it. You can define CSS classes with the specific styles for hidden and visible states and then toggle these classes of an element to show or hide it. What JavaScript can do with the dynamic HTML manipulation. JavaScript can change the HTML content and HTML attribute, CSS styles, and show and hide the HTML elements. JavaScript is a versatile and powerful programming language that can be used to perform a wide range of tasks on the web and beyond. Here are some common things JavaScript can do. Use JavaScript to dynamically modify what appears on a web page and adjust its look with the HTML and CSS. Make sure your web page is responsive and interactive by using JavaScript to react to the user actions like such as user clicks, key presses, and mouse movements. Send or retrieve data without reloading. With JavaScript, you can make requests to the server in the background, allowing for data exchange without reloading the entire page. It is commonly used for dynamic content. JavaScript can manage browser's history, navigate between pages, and enhance overall browsing experiences. Validate user input before submitting forms, offering immediate feedback and reducing the need for server checks. Combining the JavaScript and CSS for creating eye catching animations and transitions on your web pages. Use JavaScript to read and write cookies, storing and retrieving small pieces of data on the user's browser. Improve application performance by letting the JavaScript handle the data processing on the client side, reducing the need for constant server interaction. JavaScript is the key for creating SPAs where a single page dynamically updates as users interact with the application, providing a seamless experience. JavaScript can modify, add, or delete elements on a web page by interacting with the document object model. Employ JavaScript to utilize cookies and local storage, storing and retrieving the data on a client side to persist information between page loads. Create and manipulate custom web components using JavaScript, facilitating the development of a modular and reusable parts of user interfaces. Leverage the JavaScript built in functions to handle dates and times for the tasks like countdowns, scheduling, and time based interactions. I am planning to create another video on the mentioned topics. If you have any questions or need more details about the content, please share them in the comments below. I am here to assist and provide the information you are looking for. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot. It helps this channel grow. See you until next time. Thanks for watching.